Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. So stay tuned in and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best ever right here. Jimmy Dean's croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. Alright, that's what we're going to be making, guys. Right here. Alright, now I'm finna show you that. I took them out the package. This is their sandwich right here. This is how it looks. This box costs $9 and you get 8 of them in this box, okay? So that you know. Let me fix this. I already took them out and stored it in the refrigerator. We're going to go ahead and start making these. Alright, first thing you're going to need is some eggs. Let me put this out the way. I got 4 eggs in here, already been whipped. Alright. Now, if you want a perfect egg shape, you're going to need one of these to put it in, alright? I got 2 of those, so I'm going to be making 4 of these. So we need those. You're going to need some American cheese or whatever kind of cheese you want. That's what you're going to need. You're going to need some croissants right here. See how big those are? See how big those are prior to these? See the difference? The mother is huge. Let me take it out the package. I got these from Costco's. I said Costco. Got them from Walmart. This is big. See the difference? Alright. So we're going to need 4 of those. So we take those out. Kind of like put them over here somewhere. So we want to cut those up. Slice them up. And cheese over here. Alright. Also, you're going to need some sausage, of course. Alright. I got this also from Walmart. Alright, now I already used a few of them out of this bag. This is a family size bag right here. And you get a lot. I'm going to show you how those go. Get it out of here. Okay, you see how big those are? I'll sit those right there. I need 4 of those. If you want to make a double one, you can make a double one. Or we just making the regular ones. Alright? That's that. Alright guys, that's pretty much all you need. Maybe a little butter, a little olive oil if you want it. And I'm going to be grilling that on my grill in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. First thing I like to do is do my buns. Just put a little oil over here. Or you can spray it down if you got a little butter. They ain't gonna take that long. So I'm just gonna slide them over this way. Do a little bit more. Like press down on that a little bit here. And kind of like rotate these tops over this way. Bottoms over this way. Now you see where I'm doing my buns first? Because I ain't going to have enough room. See? I can try to squeeze that one in there. It may work. Just like that. You just want them get golden brown or whatever. We'll start with something else. I'm gonna let them get golden brown, show you how those look, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and check on these. See how that looks? That's how we want it. Yep, just like that. while that's doing that, we can take our little rings, put our little rings on there. Put some egg up in there. Okay. And we'll turn that down because we want to cook slow, not fast. Alright. Now we'll take these out. Yeah, just like it, just like that. Yeah. So we'll turn this down now. And we'll put our sausage on that side. They already pre-cooked sausage, guys. Okay? Just like that. Take my bread over here and assemble. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I just flipped it. Total cooking time shouldn't be no more than about 6 minutes for all 4 of them together. That's why I have a grill. Okay, so saying that to say this, I'll see you guys over there when this get done and put this stuff together in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. All you want to do here, take this part right here, this egg, put it over here, just like that. Take you some cheese. Put it on there. You can do this ahead of time. If you go to work in the morning, put it in a Ziploc bag, a little sandwich bag, and be ready to go. Send it to school with your kids, and they're good to go. Put the top on there. That's it. That's it. Jimmy Dean's croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. Right here, homemade. Right here for you guys. So, you guys can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. It's just that simple. So, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends and family. Tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where we'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. And don't forget and hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I know who you are. Hit that bell, yes, hit the bell for me. So here's these sandwiches, and here's mine. They're bigger. I'm quite sure they're gonna taste better. Only thing different is this is Jimmy Dean's sausage in there. That's it. But it tastes just as equivalent, or it's not better, to Jimmy Dean's. So you get full faster on one of them than one of these. Alright, see you guys next time in a minute.